Hey folks, thanks so much for your interest in our repair services. It sounds like you're looking to send in a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series X to us for repair. Zippy zappy, let's get packy. A few minutes after you finish filling out the repair form on our website, you'll receive an email from us that has two documents attached at the bottom. The first one is a shipping label, and the second one is some packaging instructions. We use UPS shipping labels for the Series X and the PlayStation 5. That means that you can put this label on any size box. We do, however, recommend that you put it on as snug fitting of a box as you can for your console. Just to save you some time, we even did the measuring for you. The Series X is just under 6 inches by 6 inches by 12 inches tall. Whereas the PS5, being a chunky boy, is at its thickest about 4 inches, it's 15.5 inches tall and 10.5 inches wide. When we went into the UPS store, these were the two boxes that they had that were the closest size to these consoles. Now, the boxes are pretty large, so what we'd recommend doing is actually just cutting down the box. And you can kind of see where there are some lines on the box. Once you find a box that's the right size, you can wrap it in some packing material and just set it down into the box, and then just make your cut into the box based off of where your console is sitting inside. Once you have the cuts made, you should just be able to fold the box over right at that crease. If you pick the box up and you give it a shake, you just want to make sure that there's nothing moving around inside the box. So just make sure that if there's any empty space around the console, you fill it with packing material so that the console can't slide around inside the box. We normally don't want you to send in original packaging with your device. However, with the PS5 and the Series X, we actually would recommend sending the device into us with the original box and foam inserts if you still have it. On the other hand, if you want it to actually get to us for repair, we would recommend that you take it into a UPS store and have them scan that box in right in front of you so you can get a receipt with a tracking number. You can also add insurance to your shipping label simply when you take it to the UPS store. At this point, you're a certified console shipper, but I just want to make sure that you know we still don't want you to send in any accessories with your console. So besides the original packaging, if you do choose to send it in with the original box and the foam inserts, we'll save that and we'll make sure we send the console back to you in that box. But you don't need to send in the power cord or any controllers, games, or anything like that. We have everything here we need to test your consoles. If you do have any questions or concerns throughout the process or even before you send your console into us, definitely please feel free to reach out to us via text or via email, and we'd love to get back to you as soon as we can and help you out with those questions. Thank you so much for choosing Joe's Gaming and Electronics. We hope you have a wonderful day.